One question from the client, lalaki rin ba tong mga maliliit na rancho na parang ganito? And the short answer for that is yes. So, ang difference lang nila is age. Of course, lalaki din yung mga maliliit due time with a proper grooming technique. Madali lang naman. Keep the water parameter safe and give them a lot of food. But just make sure na kapag magpapakain ka ng marami is nasa warmer side yung iyong water temperature because they are cold-blooded. Meaning their digestion and also their metabolism depends on water temperature. Nasa malamig na side, ibig sabihin mas mabagal yung kanilang digestion so you cannot feed them more. And vice versa, kapag mainit yung water is mas mabilis silang mag-digest ng food. So in short, mabilis lang din silang lalaki kapag na-maintain mo yung water parameter and nutrients na kailangan nila. But take note as well na kapag mas mabilis silang lumaki is mas mabilis din silang tatanda. Meaning kapag mas mabilis silang lumaki is bumababa din yung lifespan nila. And as for me, I just recommend you just to enjoy the hobby. Give them twice or thrice feeding per day. Make sure that they have the safe water parameter, 0 ammonia, 0 nitrite, and 20 ppm of nitrate. And then soon enough, magugulat ka na lang malaki na sila with just enjoying the hobby. And with that said, if you're looking for a small size, meron tayong mga available ngayon. And if kung kakaumpisa mo pa lang ng pag-aalaga ng rancho, I highly recommend to start with small ones. Kasi you're gonna journey with them. Paglaki nila, magugulat ka na lang and you will be proud of yourself. Kasi nabuhay mo yung maliit na rancho. And I think that is all for today's video. And again, if you're looking for one, just message me directly so I can send you all the available. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!